Hey, what's going on, folks? Produce Web here in my garden, backyard garden, and I'm about to harvest some of my potatoes, however you want to pronounce it. I've grown these, so I got two. I have about four potato plants over here, and two of them I grew on. I bought the seed potatoes from a feed store, like on the 23rd of March, and I planted them on the 24th. And I cut them in half, and the other half wasn't really iron like that, so I just cut some of the potatoes in half, let the other half iron, and planted them about a week later. So this is what I have. So I'm about to harvest them. You can see the leaves are dyed back some. They're green and yellow. They usually say it take about 70 to 85 days to grow potatoes from seed. So this is day 90 for me. I know it's not as dyed back as they probably need to be as far as the whole stalk, but I think I waited patiently, and I think the reason probably they haven't died back as much is because I had them more in the shade and not so much the sun. But still, we're past that range of where they grow, so just gonna do a little digging here and take some out and see what I got. So here we go. Harvesting my potatoes. Let's see. Let's see. So got some small ones there. So these are all small. So I'll keep digging and digging. Let's see what we get here. So we got one. Okay, got a small one here. So that probably needs to go back under. Okay, so not so much on this one. Let's see. These are all kind of small, and maybe that's because I think it's because the spacing is so small in here. So this one got a small one here. So this one may have been one of my newer plants. So I'll just kind of put that back in there. Let's see if I keep digging a little deeper. Okay. Let's look at another one. Okay, let's try this one here. Kind of disappointed because I saw one pop up above dirt. Oh, here it is. Yeah, this is the one this is it. One got a little bit of size to it. So let's see if we can get another one like that one. Okay. Got some small. Oh, wow. Look at here. Look what we got here. Oh, wow. This one's eyeing. Wow. Okay. Let's just keep digging. So we still got some small ones. Let's see. anything else pop up. What we got here? Okay, here's another one. Wow, look at that. Look at that one. Look at that one. Okay. Okay. Alrighty. See what else we got in here. Okay, mostly smaller ones. Up. Here goes one with a little bit of girth on it. Okay. Man, look at that bad boy. Okay. Oh, there we go. Deep in there. Deep in there. Okay. Gotta dig a little deeper, I guess. This one's kind of small. Let's see what else we got. And y'all, I don't know what kind of potatoes these are. They were just seed potatoes sold at the store. So, yeah, okay. So this is my first, well, I guess half my first potato harvest. Still got some smaller ones in here. I think I let grow. They're like fingerling potatoes. But yeah, man, this is it. I'm gonna dig some more in this other one, see if I can go a bit deeper and find some, because I found a few decent sized ones in here. And I think the biggest thing I see, newbie gardener, is spacing, because potatoes need a lot of space. They need to grow, and these little I don't even think they're 5-gallon buckets is gonna do it. So that video I showed y'all of me growing the other kind of potatoes, I think, and these look like red potatoes. Now I look at it, yeah, these are reds. Wow, they didn't look like reds when I got them from the store. Yeah, getting a bigger container, I think it's gonna solve a lot of my potential yield problems. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I just want to show y'all this real quick. Like I said, I'm still learning, still got a long way to grow. So I'm gonna clean these off, cook up some of them, and some I'm gonna share with my neighbors and one of my friends out here. All right, y'all, keep growing. Peace.